Well, good afternoon, people. It is May the 3rd, about 1:30 in the afternoon. It's Monday. Get off work at 8 a.m. and think you're going to be able to sleep all day, and surprise, weather. Um, so let's dive into it real quick. So I'm on the mesoanalysis page of the SPC website. And the first thing that I look at here is the dew points. I just wanted to point this out to you real quick because I thought it was pretty neat that we have a boundary showing up, and we have a 71 over 56. That's a pretty strong boundary. 71 over 64. So you kind of have this like area of convergence of moisture, and then it gets sharper at the further west that you go. So 45 dew points over here over the San Angelo area, say that. And so I wanted to point that out real quick because you can see this boundary coming down from the northwest on the radar. So I thought that was pretty neat. That's probably going to be the initiation for storm development later on today. But you can see that boundary clear right here, 71 over 64, and then 54 over 60. So somewhere right in there is going to be a storm initiation right in there. So maybe 71 over 56, maybe a little north east of Brownwood, maybe just east of Brownwood area. And if we go to the HRRR model here on the SPC website as well, you can see that, boom, we have a storm pop up just northeast of Brownwood, kind of towards the Mineral Wells area. And that's going to move into the DFW Metroplex as the night goes on. They more congeal into a line of storms as the day goes on, as the night goes on. So here is our outlook for today. And we have an enhanced risk. This actually did not extend as far south early this morning as why I thought, there was going to be some big hailers up towards the Lubbock area, it looked like, but I wasn't going to be able to get over there and get back before I needed to be at work at midnight. So it was kind of out of play, but now that this got extended a little bit further down here, I'll be able to chase today. We do have a 10% hatch of significant tornadoes kind of north of Dallas and then into the southeastern part of Oklahoma. Like I said, it kind of looks like they're going to congeal into a line, so if that happens, that's probably going to go away. But if some cells are able to stay more discrete, then it could materialize. But you can see this dry line extending south right here, even as far as almost to San Antonio, and then this extends to about Waco. So I think I'm going to play east and north and probably end up somewhere near the DFW area. We have a 30% hatch for hail up towards that area, and significant hail at that. So it was a surprise wake up that all this came together. Now I'm going to go to the College DuPage weather models. That's where I do all of my forecasting at. This is going to be the WRAP model. So this is showing my dew points here. We have a sharp dry line. We got dew points into the mid 70s over here in the deep purples, and then back over here. Back over here towards the south of Brownwood, we have a sharp dry line. It's going to be into the 40s. But also, like I was saying earlier, about this little kind of almost a triple point area of moisture, if that makes sense, of 74 dews over 64 and then 36 even. So that's pretty sharp. That could be a area of interest as the day goes on. This is going to be at 6 o'clock this afternoon, and that's when about the H-triple-R was saying storm development was going to happen. So kind of interesting. I don't know if it's going to be maybe a little further south of that position of that storm, but somewhere in that area, it's going to be an interesting time. Yeah, all we need is one storm, really, with the environment that it's going to be in today. We have 5,200 surface base CAPE and 4,400 ML CAPE, so that is bordering along the lines of extreme CAPE right there. Almost to your extreme, but the thing that we will be lacking in today is the helicity in the air. Down here, as you can see, the surface to 1 kilometer helicity is only 30. So we look for about 150 in that area. So we're lacking pretty good, but sometimes on these Cape bomb days, we have pretty sufficient moisture. So sometimes on these Cape bomb days, you can get away with stuff like that because just there's so much energy in this atmosphere. So that's where I'm going to be playing today. There's low-level winds, as I was saying. There's not going to be a whole lot of them. So kind of a wait-and-see type day. But we're going to give it a shot anyway. So always happy to surprise chase. So y'all stay with us. Going to be heading towards the target area pretty soon.
Oh man, construction.
Oh, shit.
What did it say? Right 3-lane closed or something?
I didn't see it.
Right turn lane closed. Oh, that's okay. I don't care about that.
That's about to do it, dude. Shoot, the rain's gonna block us.
I'm seeing it. Yum it. Yeah, it looks like a lot of rain too. Gotta get south. Take a ride in this light, you think?
No.
I didn't know this
We gotta
is
stay
called
straight.
shopping.
We're gonna get on FM4.
FM4. Take a ride on FM4.
Yeah. Head to Beaver. Do that one. Okay, hang on. I'm getting us a road. We got RFD streaming through. That's RFD right there, dude. There's about to be a tornado right there. Can't see nothing.
That's really about to be a tornado. Come on, do it. Do it right there. Come on, did that send? This needs to be freaking tornado warned. Submitted. That's funnel clap coming down.
Come on.
Coming down.
Come on now. Is that it?
Yeah, that's gonna be it.
Oh my gosh.
Here it comes, dude. Make it call 911. Where are we at? Circulation is gonna be southeast. What are we at?
County 911, what's the address of your emergency?
Yes, ma'am. I am in Granbury, Texas. I am a trained storm spotter. I have a funnel cloud halfway to the ground. It is about 2 miles southeast of Granbury. 2 miles. I'm sorry, 2 miles east of Granbury.
Take a ride at this light.
Tell me that location again.
It's about 2 miles east of Granbury. Moving east. Slow down. Pull over in here.
Almost halfway to the ground.
Yes, ma'am. Rapid rotation. Stop. Pull up into that parking lot right there. Stop right here. Face it.
Okay, any updates at this time?
No, ma'am. It is halfway to the ground. Definitely 100% a funnel cloud. That's as far as I can tell.
Do you have a better location? I'm pretty east of Granbury, but
I am.
looks like you're on 377 in Old Granbury. Does that sound right?
Yes, ma'am. We just crossed the lake. Hey, get in the car. Let's go.
Granbury.
Turn around. It's coming to us. Hey, let me talk to them people. Hey, y'all need to get inside. That's a tornado. Yeah, go back that way. Go back south. We're at the Papa John's.
Left or right?
Stay right here. Stay right here. Just got a little flustered.
Okay, hold on just a moment, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Hang on.
Let's go. Left turn. Left turn. Keep going. Stay straight.
Okay, what's your name, sir?
My name is Joshua O'Connor.
Joshua O'Connor?
Yes, ma'am. Tornado is not fully condensed to the ground. Still rapid rotation with it halfway to the ground.
Halfway to the ground yet?
Not yet. Still halfway.
Okay, halfway to the ground.
Alright, pull over. Sorry, come back at us. Get in the backside.
Trained storm spotter, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You're a trained storm spotter?
Yes, ma'am. There's debris. Those are birds. Never mind. They're birds. I mean, this thing is spinning so We need to get this storm warned. Rapid rotation.
It's big.
This is gonna be big.
Putting it on there, sorry. I just added my notes to the weather card.
Thank you.
Just a moment.
Dude, this is about to be a tornado.
Is it a good phone number for you, the 512?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what was it that you were saying just a moment ago?
It is rapid rotation. It is just to my. I'm looking east southeast. Let's see. It's gonna be. It is now about 7, almost 8 miles southeast of Granbury. East of Granbury, I'm sorry.
7 to 8 miles east of Granbury.
Yes.
Is it still halfway to the ground?
It is no longer a defined funnel. It is a rapidly rotating wall cloud. It is going to. It is there. It is ready to produce. See that rising motion on the left side, dude.
It's no longer a form funnel, and it's a...
Yeah, no longer a defined funnel. It is a rapidly rotating wall cloud. Rapid uprising motion. Yeah, it's about to do it. Keep the light on, yeah.
Now it's a rapid rising.
Rapidly rotating wall cloud. Yeah. Very good. It is moving east still at this time.
There it goes.
Still moving east.
Yes, ma'am.
There it goes.
Okay, so there's no defined funnel any longer?
It is starting to build a funnel at this moment right now.
Yeah, it is.
Starting to rebuild the funnel?
Yes, yes.
Is it still 7 miles east of your location?
Yes, ma'am.
Papa John's.
Alright, we're getting.
I'm updating from, it says Eastern, but Daisy might call.
Yep, we're good. We're safe. We're safe.
Any updates at this time?
No, ma'am. It has gotten wrapped in rain. It is hard to see the area of interest that I need to see. I'm just waiting for a break in the rain at this time. There's a funnel. Yeah, it's still a funnel cloud. Still a funnel cloud.
Has it touched down?
Not to my knowledge, not to that I can see. It is very close.
About how far do you think?
It's 3/4 of the way down. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. All right, let's get going.
Okay, at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. Okay, if anything changes, call us back.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
That got on the ground. It just didn't fully condense on the ground.
Did it?
It had to. It was way too close.
It looked pretty close.
All right, let's go. We can't see right here.
Where we
We
going?
gotta get east. We gotta go to Godby.
Dude. That was a double. Alright, we're taking a right?
Let me see. Turn it off. See it? Broken out. Storm's not tornado warned.
Well, it's not like you can call it in, you have no idea what
See that bulge on the right side too?
it is.
Where it makes a V.
I see it.
There it is. Look, it's all the way to the ground. Storm's still not tornado warned.
Subaru's gonna do a great job.
No kidding.
Not the rain.
That's all she wrote. Oh, look at this hill we're coming up on.
Stop?
No, keep going for a second.
Yeah.
Keep going for a second.
Alright.
What's that back there?
Oh.
That's the wall cloud. That's the wall cloud. Keep going. We're good. Tornado will come out of that.
Dude, it looks like it's freaking falling right
We need a hill. Big time wall cloud.
now. These
Trees.
freaking trees, man.
It's okay. We're getting closer. We're attacking this thing. Lightning ramping up.
Right where we need to be, Josh.
Amen. At the New Life Baptist Church, we're going to take a right, which is up here. It's a good ways up.
Okay.
We're in the jungle.
Seriously.
Oh my gosh, this thing's hooking, dude. I gotta take a screenshot of that.
See it on the map?
Oh wow, there's probably a big tornado in there. Might see.
Here we go.
time, dude. This is big. Keep going. We're good. Is that the Subaru? Did we pass that Subaru?
No, I don't know. The wrong way.
Oh my gosh.
Can you see it?
No, I can't see it. Keep going.
About right here.
Slow down. Big tornado. That's a tornado on the left.
You want me to stop?
Tornado on the left. Keep going.
Dude.
Stop right here, behind this mailbox. That's a big tornado on the ground right there.
Oh my
On the left
gosh.
side. Big tornado. Stop right here. Stop right here. Stop right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
All right.
Left side. Big tornado. Giant tornado.
Is it behind that big tree?
Right here. In between those two trees.
Oh, the light color.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Big tornado. New circulation right here. This is where a new tornado would develop right here. Yeah. See it over there on the left? This is a rapidly developing tornado on our right. Tornado on the ground on the left. Tornado's roping out over here. See it over there? That's 2 miles from a town. 2 miles from a town. This is about to be a new tornado right here. It's already warned. See it roping out?
I'm gonna pull off the road just a tad more.
Okay, hang on. One second.
All right, all right.
Okay.
Get it on the camera. Yeah, you're good. I'm gonna go forward a little bit. Pretty good.
Yeah, we're good. That's a scout tornado.
Seriously, it's been on the ground for a while back then. Solid.
That's where the new one would be.
You see those kind of swirl.
Yeah, that's where the new one would be. I'm about to have 2 on the ground.
Okay, all right, I got it.
There's tornado sirens. if it was gonna happen right now, it'd be right there probably on the left. Yeah. This is a new base right here on the right. Yeah. This is cycling right here on the left side over there. It would, if there's a tornado, it'd be over there on the right there. But this is the new one right here. It's cycling. Got RFD coming through. Look at here. We got an RFD surge coming. Tornado funnel cloud on the left there. There it is. See it? This is cyclic, dude. This is about to drop multiple. No kidding. I got my drone. Yeah. I got it in the back of the truck. So you see how it's kind of like white spot right there? And it comes back to the top side. So if you can picture a horseshoe right there, usually on the north end of the horseshoe is where the tornado would be. That's about to be on the ground, honestly. And then the new base is going up there, yeah. That's about to be a tornado. See the left edge? Yeah. That's headed for the ground.
Y'all see the base of it?
No.
Not at all.
That tree's in the way. Once it moves to the right there. It's not tight anymore? It was freaking tight earlier when that tornado was over there.
Yeah, it was.
Starting to get rain wrapped up there.
Yeah.
Here comes the rain. See, look right here where we're looking. That's the circulation that we're looking at.
Yeah.
That's the hook. So that's your hook right there. It's just a thick hook right now.
Do they fight each other, you think?
It's the same storm. It's just cycling. That's just what it does. So now if that one's not gonna make it, it would be up there.
Okay.
You could have anticyclonic on this side, but probably not. Not usually.